Hi everyone, welcome back to DP Tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you how to create and use a powerful data entry form in Excel. This technique will help you enter records quickly and efficiently without scrolling across rows and columns. So let's master it like a champ. Here's an example employee database with the following columns. Make sure the headers are in row 1 because Excel uses them to generate the form fields. Next, we will enable the form tool in the Excel ribbon. This feature is hidden by default, so follow these quick steps. Go to the file, click on Options, Customize Ribbon. On the right side, select Main tabs. Click on any group like Home or Insert. Click New Group, rename it as Forms. Now on the left pane, under Choose Commands From, select Commands Not in the ribbon. Scroll down, find Form, click Add and OK. Now you will see a new form button on your ribbon on the right hand side like this. Click any cell within your data table and then click the Forms button. You will now see a beautiful pop-up form with all the fields neatly arranged. You can now view existing records, add new entries, edit existing rows, delete records, find entries with criteria. Let's try adding a new employee. Employee ID as 106, full name Niharika, department IT, joining date 15th June 2025, salary as 55,000. Just enter the values and click Close. Boom, the row is automatically added in your sheet. Here are a few quick tips. Make sure your table doesn't have blank headers or merged cells. Use data validation in the table if you want to restrict inputs like drop-downs. Excel forms can handle up to 32 columns of data. And that's how you create and use data forms in Excel like a champ. It's simple, fast and saves you a ton of time. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to DP Tutorials for more Excel tricks. Comment below if you want a video on advanced user forms using VBA. Thanks for watching.